Hey guys, today we're going to learn percent of change. So percent of change is going to be a ratio of the amount of change that's occurring compared to our original amount. When we talk about percent of change, we can have either a percent increase or a percent decrease, but it's really important that we always remember to express it as a percentage. So we have a formula for percent of change. We're going to take, it's going to be a fraction since we said it's a ratio. So our amount of increase or decrease is going to go on top, and the denominator is going to be our original amount. If you look here at our definition, that's exactly what we said. We said it's a ratio, the amount of change to the original amount. So let's look at some examples. We're going to look at an airport example to begin. So clear back in 1985, there were 15,161 airports in the United States. And in 2005, there were 19,854. So we want to know what was the percent of change between 85 and 2005. Well, first we need to find our numerator, which is the change in our number of airports. So we take our 19,854 minus that 15,161. And our denominator is the original amount. So the original number of airports in 1985, which was 15,161. If you subtract on the numerator, we get this fraction. And then we divide, we get 0.31, but we said we have to describe or give our answer as a percent. So 0.31 is 31%. And then it's really important to decide whether this is an increase or a decrease. So since our airports went up, we know it's an increase. Okay, here's another one. We're looking at taxi cabs. The number of taxis in 2001 were 31,800, and in 2002 they went down 1,000. So right off the bat, before we even calculate this, we know that this is going to be a percent decrease because our taxis have decreased. But we have to figure out what percent of change occurred. So we know we went down 1,000. Over our original amount is 31,800. Dividing that, we get 0.03, which as a percent is 3%. Don't forget to label it as decrease. Along with percent change, we have what we call markups and discounts. So anytime you have a percent increase, that's what we're going to consider a markup. And if you have a discount, that deals with a percent decrease. So we'll look at two different scenarios that cover both of these. Walmart can buy themselves a new release DVD for $12, but then when they sell it to us, they mark it up 70%. So we want to know, what is that markup price? How much extra are they charging us? And then what is that new price that we actually have to pay? So to find that markup price, we're going to take what they pay, the $12, times the percentage that they're increasing it by. So 12 times 0.7 gives us $8.40. So Walmart is going to mark up that DVD $8.40. And then to find the new price, I have to take what they paid plus that markup value. So $12 plus that $8.40 would give us $20.40 is that new price or what we would have to pay. Last example, very similarly, we're going to look at a discount price. So say we're going shopping, a sweater at American Eagle is going to be 40% off. So it originally was $30. I want to know how much money do I get off and then what do I have to pay? So again, $30, our original sweater amount, times the discount price, so times 0.4 or 40%, gives us $12. So they're discounting that shirt $12. But then to figure out how much I actually pay, instead of adding like we did for the markup, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to take $30 minus 12, which is that discount price, and that gives me $18 for this sweater.